Hello friends and welcome back to another stock value video. Today we are diving into a very hot tech favorite, SoundHound AI. The ticker symbol is SOUN. This is relatively a new player in the market, having IPO about 4 years ago. If you look at its chart history, it's followed a classic pattern of explosive moves followed by sharp correction and making it a price candidate for a massive opportunity stocks. Let's look at what happened recently. The stock formed a clear double top formation between the December 2024 and the January 2025, surging up toward the $21 to $24 range. After hitting that peak, a heavy sell-off pushed the price all the way down to the $6 mark. Since October 2025, the stock has been locked inside a minor correction channel, but right now we are seeing a sign of the strong recovery attempt. The big question is, are we looking at double bottom formation here? Is a trend reversal right around the corner, or will the decline continue? Let's break down everything we know. To understand the future, we have to look at the historical accumulation zone. Back in the July 2022, February 2023, and the June 2023. At the $4 and $5 range to act as a massive resistance wall. Price struggled there for nearly 2 years, but then in February 2024, the bulls finally broke that causing an explosion that sent back to straight to $10. Following that explosive move, we saw some sideways action where the $6.50 level acted as a taut resistance. Why am I telling to you history? Because it's explained exactly what is happening right now. After falling from our double top, look at where the price found its footing. Exactly at that $6.50 resistance line, it has now flipped into the rock solid support area. We have tested this 6.5 floor twice, and now the buyers are actively stepping to push the price back up. If we draw a Fibonacci retracement tool here, it's aligned beautifully with the chart, relieving at the exact transition levels. Currently, we are moving sideways in a well-defined range, unless a massive wave of the new buyers enters the market. We should expect this sideways channel to continue for a little bit longer. The boundaries are clear. We have a solid floor at $6.50 on the bottom, and a heavy resistance zone between the $9 and $8 on the top. Now let's talk about the breakout scenario. If the bulls can smash throughout the $10 resistance, the sky opens up for the near term. Our target will instantly shift to $12, $13, and ultimately the $15 mark. On the flip side, it's the 3.5 floors break, then our historical $4.5 accumulation zone will act as our ultimate safety net support. If you made it this far and haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it. It helps the YouTube algorithm recommend our clear analysis to more investors. Thank you so much for watching the Stock Valley. Wishing you all massive profits and see you in the next update.